Hello everyone, my name is Pratap. I hope you all are doing good. Thank you for supporting me by subscribing to my channel till date. But due to some technical glitch, we are basically migrating the entire content into new channel. We have opened a new brand new YouTube channel. The name is Qbex Academy. So I request you all to subscribe to the new channel, which is Qbex Academy, for the new content what will be released in the next future. We are planning to release a lot of content on Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, PySpark, on Python, even on Gen AI, generative AI, using leveraging a lot of large language models. So I hope you've been very supportive till date. I hope you continue to do the same by subscribing to the new channel, Qbex Academy. Thank you very much.